Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. Today we are going to make a crunchy onion tomato toast. You mix well the onions, you can add some coriander and your tomatoes. Then add a pinch of salt to taste. Then take your loaf and you can use a spoon as you add the mix of tomatoes, onions and coriander onto one slice. Add some oil to your pan and let it heat. Make sure the oil is not so much. Place your slice on it and allow it to heat and be crunchy. You flip it on the other side and yo guys, it's almost ready. And here we go guys. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and please share this video to your friends and family. See you next time. Bye.